All right, y'all, I'm actually outside. I was about ready to shoot a video for a review for a pair of shoes that I just purchased. But as you guys can see right here, FedEx in here, man. And they should have a package for me as well. So maybe I'll do that video instead. But y'all know I love getting packages. Let's see what he got. All right, y'all can see, man. FedEx just got here, just left, dropped the package, y'all. Been waiting for these, man. Super excited about these. These right here have been a problem for everybody. I'm glad I was able to get them. Let's open them up.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get... All
right, y'all, camera set up. We got the box right here. We're gonna go ahead and open these things up. As I open these things up, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. Greatly appreciate that. Hit the like button, do all those great things. But this is a sneaker that dropped recently, and y'all, man, everybody went crazy for these things, man. And they're actually gonna be restocking again tomorrow on Foot Locker. OG classic. Had to have it in the collection. Hold on, let me open up this box. All right, so as you guys can see, this is a Nike box right here. So the orange label box. So anytime we get the orange label box, 9 times out of 10, that means it's gonna be some type of OG sneaker. Now, I haven't seen this year's retro, even though this sneaker has retro quite a bit. So this is gonna be my first time seeing it, but I like to open up stuff with you guys. So let's go ahead and open up together. 3, 2, 1. We have the Nike Air Diamond Turf 93 joints, the Atlanta Falcons, man. I don't want anybody else to say that they're the 49ers. These are the Atlanta Falcon joints. So here they are right here, as you guys can see, in all that nostalgia, man. This shoe, I remember when it dropped. I'm 40 years old, and I remember when this sneaker dropped. This was a trainer that everybody had to have. It was just a classic sneaker, you feel what I'm saying? But it was a lot of commotion about these things, whether they were the Falcons or the 49ers. And Deion Sanders was in 1993 playing with the Atlanta Falcons. He was a dual athlete, and he was playing with the Atlanta Braves. These are not the Falcons. And I know that gold on the back end kind of throws everybody off, and they think, oh yeah, that means no, these are the Falcons, and that's what I'm going to call them. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and talk about them a little bit. We have that strap on the front end of these things. That's that big bulky strap. I remember back in the early 90s and late 90s, Nike was big on making stuff big and bold. So like you had the Air More Up Tempos in the late 90s. They had the big Air on the side, big Nike swoosh. So everything was big back then. So you got that Nike swoosh right there, red and red on this strap. Strap is pretty big. Gotta like that, you know what I'm saying? On the outer side of the shoe, it's that classic silhouette. You got the mesh netting with the hints of the gold behind it. You have that Nike Air written on the outsole right here in white. Go around the back end of the sneaker, we do have that Nike in gold, which is the reason why I say a lot of people think these are the 49ers. The red pull tab on these things, red sock liner in there, white Nike Air. And then they did give us back, I know a couple of the other retros, they didn't have this, but they did give us back the tag on the front end of it that says 24 and 21, and then the field goal post, and then the home plate, because he did play both baseball and football. So Diamond Turf, super clean sneaker, white leather on the toe box. Leather ain't too bad, as you guys can see right there. Got the little nubuck on the toe box as well. On the bottom, we have that black, red, and white outsole, that Falcon colorway. A super clean sneaker, bring back memories. Like I said, I remember really wanting a pair of these. These in the, I think it was the Marina Blue colorway also, but I'm glad they brought them back. I did not have any of the other retros just because it was one of those sneakers I just always miss out on. But Nike has been doing their thing, dropping a lot of this stuff with Deion Sanders. I know they had a little bit of riffraff going on between the two of them, and they was dropping things without his logo and stuff on it, but it seems like they got that all figured out, so now we have them here again. So y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about these things? If we look at an overview of these, I will tell you guys that they will be dropping again tomorrow on Foot Locker. That's going to be Saturday, February 1st. Another little restock, and the resale has dropped down on them, so it's not that bad. But I'm glad I was able to add to my collection. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions about these things are. Did you get them? Did you not get them? Or did you pay that resale, man? I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.